Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we're trying out the Tumi Voyageur Continue Weekender in the color black. So if you've made it to this video, you're either considering this tote bag or probably a few others like the Monos or the Away similar tote bags, and I am obviously going to unbox the Tumi Voyageur for you today, so it does speak to the fact that I chose this one, and I will show you why as I unbox it. Alright, getting a first look at our bag, we first notice the overall quality and just the sleekness of this bag. Now of course this tote does come in a few colorway options, including a black with black hardware. Obviously I've chosen the black with gold because I think it's a little bit more feminine, and if you've ever experienced travel anxiety or phobia, you'll know that it is recommended to just have really lovely things around you and things that make you excited to travel. So that is what we're doing first and foremost, trying to find a perfect tote bag where we know where everything is, it is organized, it's sleek, it's stylish, and I think the Tumi does all of those things. So getting into our bag, I am taking off the protective covering of the handles. You will see that throughout this unboxing, all of the protective coverings are really well attached. These things are not coming off unless you have an intention of taking them off. I think it speaks to the overall quality of the brand that they really didn't skimp on anything, including their protective covering. Anyway, taking a look at our handles, we can see that they are a very nice, I believe they're leather, covering right in the middle of the hand strap. They also have a little connecting point that has a snap and allows you to connect your two handles. Maybe if you just want a little bit more security, or you want to hold it, grip the handle a little bit better, or really just not have them flopping around everywhere. Okay, so next up we're going to take off all of the other little protective coverings. So right now what you're seeing is actually a little nameplate, which comes with most Tumi products that you can bring to the store, any Tumi store, especially if you've bought it online, and have them engrave your initials or some sort of saying, usually 3 to 4 characters on those plates. They do give you some extras in case you make a mistake or change your name, or want a different monogram, so that is really helpful. All right, taking a look at the actual pockets of our bag, we can see that the top opening actually zips from both ways. You see we have an extra little handle in there as well. We're going to get to that a little later, but right now let's take a look inside the bag. So another really great aspect of this bag is the separate compartment. It's called a basement, which means that you can access it from the outside and go directly into the basement, or you can actually roll up that divider and snap it to the side. I'm going to show you that in a second. Before we get there, what you're looking at now is the laptop sleeve. So this was another really great aspect of this bag that made me feel like I have a lot of organization. You can put your laptop in the side or some papers that you don't want to get crushed and really just forget about them. On the opposite side, we have a zippered pocket, maybe for some valuables, maybe for something else we want to be able to locate really quickly, and we have a connection point for keys or something else that you want to put on a lanyard. On the exterior of the back side of the bag, you will see there is a luggage slot to be able to convert this to hands-free mode and trolley it around on your luggage. Taking a look at the front facade of our bag, we'll see that we have a nifty little pocket right up top. I think that's intended for your phone. And then we have another zippered pocket with a few additional compartments. This can be for your passport or some other, things that you want to have easily accessible. Now let's take a look at our basement and we'll see that feature of separation a little bit more closely. A lot of people talk about putting their shoes in here. What I really like this compartment for is the items that you're going to want while you're on the airplane, but might not need readily accessible throughout the rest of your voyage. These could be safety items, it could be a fan, it could be sneakers, it could be slippers, it could be anything that you can think of that you want out of the way to make sure that you have a full tote bag, but also some additional items in the basement just in case. Okay, you'll see that we've started to unwrap our shoulder strap. So this shoulder strap actually is also very well protected, very well wrapped. It extends from one side of the opening of the bag to another, and I will show you how that works in just a moment once we get all of these little bits off. This is a great moment to explain that Tumi actually made a lot of other products that go with this set. That includes little backpacks, little pouches, side purses, makeup bags, cosmetic bags, wallets, passport cases, anything you need to go with your set so you are fully equipped. We do have a bunch of those other videos on our channel and are consistently releasing more, so please do be sure to subscribe below. Okay, we've started to attach our shoulder bag and you'll see how it goes on in just a moment. You do see that there is a padding on the shoulder, which makes this really comfortable to use. And I have used it a few times, so I can attest that this is honestly just the perfect bag. Now, we did try this bag on in the store, so I will just give you a few more shots so you can see for scale as well as the weight. It is a very lightweight bag. You know, some bags can be very heavy, just the hardware themselves. This one is not. And it just makes for an overall enjoyable experience. I think this bag is so sleek, it is squishable, it is just perfect in every way. All right, that is all that we have for you with this unboxing. Please be sure to subscribe if you got any value from this video at all. It really does help our algorithm. And be sure to leave a like and a comment if you have this bag. If you like it, if you love it, if you hate it, let us know. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.